Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can insert a connector line to connect elements and items on your documents in the Goodnotes application. So let us dive into this. So let me navigate to this blank page here. Let me insert, let's say, a shape like a rectangle and also a triangle. And what you want to do, guys, is navigate to the shape tool bar here at the top and use one of these connector lines here, a curved one or that one here. Click into it and then start drawing. And as you can see, if you draw it with your hand manually, like for instance by setting your starting point with your left mouse, holding your left mouse, and even if you draw a curved line like this, right, so with your hand and set the endpoint here at the next element, the application will convert the given connector into a line like this here with these curves and corners. So it depends pretty much on which of these connector lines you choose. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.